Okay guys, today on Chris Does What? We're looking at this 94 Jeep, has a catalytic converter, and we're going to see what it sounds like with this factory exhaust on it and what it sounds like with just the catalytic converter. We will be doing a exhaust install, and we'll keep you just subscribed so you can see that video to come. But today we're going to see how loud it is with just your cat. Okay guys, so I'm going to take the muffler and the cat back exhaust system off this Jeep, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like with just a cat. The muffler and exhaust system on this is really rusted, so it's got some exhaust leaks, but it probably will be a big difference with just a catalytic converter. So let's see what it sounds like right now. Well, it's no race car, it's just a 2.5 liter, but it is quiet. So most of these exhaust systems are just bolt on, and you slide it over and it just fits. But they had welded this on, so we had to take and cut it off. If you notice this thing, it's really rusty. This thing's rusted out. So this thing had all kinds of exhaust leaks in it when it was underneath the Jeep anyway. So a new exhaust system is probably going to make it quieter. Cat back exhaust system. So let's see how it sounds now. It's going to be loud. So as you can tell, with just the catalytic converter, almost sounds like a dragster. 4-cylinder dragster. I know I've been to drag races and stuff like that, and I used to race, and header cutoffs are a lot louder, but that's pretty darn loud. And probably something you don't want to drive as an everyday vehicle, especially in the midst of the city. This is good because this is just an off-road Jeep. So if you're just a young kid out trailing with just a cat back, that would probably be awesome for you. Me, a 40-year-old plus man, a little bit loud. But we're going to go with it, and we're going to order a new exhaust system, cat back exhaust system, and put it on it. That system was just gone. You could clearly tell it was gone. That was the factory Chrysler muffler and probably the factory exhaust pipe that had rust holes in it, and somebody had welded it. In fact, the muffler was breaking off because of the rust. So in the next video on this Jeep exhaust, we're going to put an exhaust system on it, and I'll tell you what exhaust system it is. I'll show you how we put it on, and I'll show you the sound to see if that sounds right for you, or you may want to go with something more elaborate or just a straight pipe. So if this was helpful for you, like the video. It's right there. Looks like this. If you like our channel, subscribe. We come out with all kinds of videos on whatever we're doing at the time, and we want to share that with you. If you're looking for great eats, good recipes, or you want to read some of the blogs I wrote, like the boats or home maintenance or things like that, check out our blog at chrisdoeswhat.com or dininginwithdanielle.com. It takes you to the same spot, but Dining In takes you directly to yummy goodness and the great recipes that Danielle creates. And y'all please take care.